Hi there, welcome to your class. My name is Gloria Adeoye, and popularly known as the Peace Grabbing Chick, and I'm the creator of the 17-part video Forex course that walks you through the very basics and advanced trading strategy. And in this set of courses, you're going to learn the very basics of trading the Forex market. The mere fact that you have subscribed to get all these videos simply means that you are ready to begin trading the Forex market, and I want to congratulate you for doing so, because what you're about to embark on is a skill set that will pay you for the rest of your life. So what I want to encourage you to do is not to be in a hurry. You want to make sure that you get all the facts, all the information, all the training that is required for you to make this journey seamless and very smooth. And that's where I come in. I'm here to make your journey as seamless and as smooth as possible. That's why this course is going to be as explicit as possible, giving you all the basics you need to start trading. So make sure you take notes, make sure you pause the video, replay it, and if you have any questions to ask, any questions at all, you can drop them in the comment section, or you send me an email to winningwithforex2.0@gmail.com. winningwithforex2.0@gmail.com, and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. Alright, so for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about what is Forex. What is Forex? You've been hearing about it, you've seen great reviews about it on social media, and maybe you've even attended a class or two with a broker, but you're still confused as to what's going on. Is it a magic money? Is it a get lucky scheme? Is it something that one can only hope to use in generating an extra source of income? What exactly is Forex? In very simple layman terms, Forex is just simply foreign exchange. So you exchanging one value or one money for another. Alright, you exchanging your currency depending on the country you're in. Whatever currency you have, exchanging it with another currency. That is what Forex is all about. You want to travel from your country to another country, you take your currency and switch it for that country's currency. What you've just engaged in is Forex. So you being able to trade your currency for another is what Forex is all about, alright? So exchanging foreign currencies. So most times you being able to exchange your own currency kind of limits you, right? Say you live in London, you want to travel to the United States, you switch your pounds for the dollar. You live in the United States, you want to travel to Turkey, you switch your dollar to Turkish lira. Or you live in Canada, you want to travel to Nigeria, you switch your cards to Nigerian naira. So whatever country you're traveling to, you switch your currency to that country's currency, because every country has their currency that drives the economy, drives commerce and everything. So all of those activities, all of those commerce, all of those businesses that countries embark on day by day is reflected in the market. So for every time that a country does business with another country, for every time that there is that interchange of ideas, of commodities, of goods, of services, money changes hands, currencies are switched, and the Forex market is being traded. That's the reason why this is the biggest market ever. It's bigger than New York Stock Exchange, bigger than any market you can think of. It is a $6.6 trillion a day market as at today, or as whenever these statistics was calculated, right? So what it simply means is that the money keeps growing. So every day the market turns over that amount every day. So you've seen that this is a market that turns over such great, tremendous amount of money every day. Gives you, some kind of room, some kind of wiggle room to play around. So it means that you have a chance to come in here and also take something out of it. So for every time all of these currencies are being traded, you stand a chance of making a profit. Subsequent modules, we're going to learn how you will be able to make a profit by engaging in foreign exchanges. So what you've just learned now is that Forex is just simply exchanging one currency for the other. So this pair you're looking at, this is the pound and the Australian dollar. So here you are having pounds and you want to switch it for the Australian dollar, you do that by simply buying or selling. So that is basically what the whole exchange is all about. You buying one and selling the other. So if you have a dollar and you want to travel to Nigeria, you take your dollar and you buy the naira, alright? And the person, whoever buys the dollar from you, sells the naira and buys the dollar. So every time that exchange goes on, it's called buying and selling. So the buying and selling of individual currencies is what Forex is all about, okay? And there are, think of any country, think of all the countries of the world, countries with good economy, countries with commerce, countries with goods, products, services. Think of those countries, think of their currency, and you see it here in the market. So all of the world currencies, the dollar, the pound, the euro, yen, the won, the Chinese yuan, the South African rand, the Turkish liras, the Norwegian kroner. Think of all those countries' currencies. You find them here. Now here's a beautiful thing also. You don't only find currency, you also find commodities, right? Like gold, like silver, like coffee, like cocoa, different things you find. As long as those things are being traded, you will find them here. Recently, the current phrase is crypto. So all of those digital currencies, you also find them in this market. So whatever thing is being traded, as long as that thing is traded, as long as it exchanges, one value for the other, you will find it right here in the Forex market. So currently I'm looking at the Doge USD setter. So crypto, commodities, indices like the US 30, the US 100, and the NASDAQ. You find them here also. So it now all depends on what do you want to trade, what currency do you want to trade, what market do you want to play in. So all of those things are things you will learn as you progress in the class. So today, as a way of wrap up, we just learned, or in this module, you just learned that Forex is the exchange of one currency for the other. And these exchanges happen through means of buying and selling. So for every time you are in the market looking for opportunities, you're looking for buys, or you're looking for sell. So that's basically all you can do as far as trading goes. You can either buy or you sell, right? You can't sit in the middle or sit on the fence. You are either actively buying or you're actively selling. That's what Forex is all about, okay? And also we said that a lot of countries, like most countries, have their currencies listed, and these currencies are often listed in pairs. Of course, like I said, you live in Nigeria, you want to travel to Canada, you switch your naira for the CAD, so you're having to do that in pairs. And the same thing also happens here. They're doing all of these exchanges, so that's the reason why it's called exchange. You do the exchanges in pairs. So the dollar exchange with the South African rand, the gold exchange with the United States dollar. So all of these are things that are being traded, and you will learn how you can now begin to trade these currencies as you progress in your class. Alright? So that's all for today's module. The next module, we're going to talk about what is being traded and how you can now begin to identify those things to trade. Gloria, there once again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.